Coach Eddie told me that I had a fight coming up. I didn't really have too many nerves, but I knew there was a lot of things I needed to work on. My name is Joshua Simmons. I'm 22 years old. I'm originally from Florida, and I moved here to San Antonio, and I've been boxing for about 1.5 years. My dad always told me anything that you want to do, you have to do it to like your best of your ability. Whatever I wanted to do in life, he told me, don't do it halfway. So I'm not doing this halfway, I'm fully in it, and that's why I'm here every day. One of the main things I wanted to work on was defense. So when I was in the ring, I was making sure I was moving my head. When I was shadow boxing, I was making sure that I had my hands up. When I was blocking, I was parrying. When it's sparring, it's a mix between turning that switch on. You can't fully turn into the animal that you do when you're on fight night. So you don't want to just go out there and just go on instinct, but you want to focus on the technique that you're trying to work on. It's really what helps you on fight night. Coach Eddie and Coach Rosie, they mean a lot to me. It's just, I don't know. I came here, I wasn't sure of myself, and they kind of just helped me bring that confidence out, you know? And seeing them, they help the people around them. You know, they really care about their students. It's inspiring, you know? So they inspire me to do better every day. Just ready to get in there, you know, show what I'm made of. I think boxing is one of the greatest sports in the world. There's just you in there, you know? So that's why I really enjoy this sport, man. If you're thinking about joining a boxing gym, definitely join Scribner Boxing. It's a great place for young, old, doesn't matter. You want to come learn and learn not only discipline and boxing skills, but life skills in general. Come to Scribner Boxing.
Where's Josh? How you feel, Josh?
Oh, pretty good, man.
Did you work?
That was easy work.
The guy you're gonna fight is working just as hard too.
Nah, you're not working harder than me. You're not working harder than me.
Probably not.
Probably not.